Horse-drawn carriage. Take out your pencil. Can we label this A section as our first section? And to this side, it's going to be B section. For this video, I'm not going to be doing the repeat back to here, but you can surely do that at home. I will do the repeat from section B, play the first ending, and repeat back to here. Play it the second time and go to the second ending. So let's start. On G position, left hand, right hand also in G position with finger 3 on B. Let's go. Section B. Repeat to here. And to the second ending. Let's start with our right hand first. 3 onto B. Hold that down. Running, running, running up the scale and F sharp. Keep the F sharp down the scale. Turn, jump, hold, running, running. Keep going. F sharp. Section B. Repeat back to here. Now the left hand onto G position, hold it down, G, B, and D. Extend to F sharp, C, and D. Back to chord 1. Now section B. Repeat to here. To the second ending. Jump.